In this Revizto training session, we'll be focusing on the Room tool. The Room tool can be located in the 3D environment, and it's the second tool from the left-hand side of the screen on the toolbar. Whenever I access this tool, I get a list on the right that allows me to see all of my different rooms on various levels, as well as the ability to search for certain rooms. Once I've found the room that I'm looking for, I can teleport to it by simply clicking on that item, and as you can see, I'm teleported directly to the conference room. If I want to see information about this room coming from the BIM model, I can access my information button here, and as you can see, all the information that was brought in from the model is located right here. This is how we can get a view into the areas and different types of uses that our rooms contain whenever collaborating inside of Revizto. If I exit here, you'll notice that I can choose any of these rooms and quickly teleport from one to another. This is a great way of navigation quickly and easily without actually having to walk the model, and is very, very useful for people using iPads in the field as they want to navigate from room to room, utilize the visualization of the 3D model, but not necessarily walk there inside of the application itself.